Welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, I am so confused right now. Okay, so guys, I don't know why do people keep on hating on Lerato Kganyago like this. It's a lot Kuningi, she is getting bullied on social media, guys, and it's not the first time, you know. And you guys know what happened, man. Firstly, it was the petition to remove Uchidima Adetshina from Miss South Africa pageant. Ne? Manje, they have a petition to remove Lerato Kganyago from being the judge on the pageant. Why? Because she is siding with Uchidima Adetshina. She is saying that she has valid documents, she has a South African ID, so Ugel deserves to be in the pageant. You're right. She is also saying that there's nothing that was done under the carpet, like there was no corruption. If there was corruption, now she wasn't going to be part of the corruption. Okay, fine. Now people are saying, no man, she must be disqualified as a judge because she has already shown the whole country Uguti she is on Chidima Adetshina's side, you know, and people don't want her to win, guys. Yes, she might have South African papers, but she is not allegedly she is not South African. Yes, she has the papers. And the stories there, they just don't add up, guys. Her father says he came to South Africa in 2010 and Chidima was born in 2001. And Ugai says that when he came to South Africa in 2010, that's when he met Mamaga Chidima. So it's a lot. I'm really so tired of this topic. So now people just want Lerato Kganyago to be removed as a judge because she is going to be biased in all of this. Moba, it's pretty clear Uguti she is siding with Uchidima Adetshina, which I think, you know what? As a judge, guys, she was not supposed to say that. As a judge, I think she must, okay, you know when in your heart, ne, that you side with Uchidima Adetshina. But she was just supposed to just keep quiet and then keep it moving. You know? Keep it moving because you know Uguti, you are part of the people who are going to decide whether she stays in the show or not, whether she wins or not. So I personally think she wasn't supposed to comment on anything. You know, there are a lot of celebrities who commented who are on Chidima's side. Like Prince KB. Prince KB also posted a picture of Uchidima and said that he is rooting for her to win. Upel Tusi also had a video where she was defending Uchidima. Guys, this name is confusing me. Chidima. So Upel Tusi also has a video where she was defending Uchidima, you know. But those celebrities who took Chidima's side were not badly affected and were not bullied. Ne? I understand this now. At first I thought people were just hating on Lerato, but the fact that Lerato Kganyago is the judge, I think is what made people to be the way that they are behaving now. You know, she's getting bullied, they're talking about her fertility issues, like it's a lot. And Guningi, you know, for someone to come for your fertility, it's, you know, it's deep when they come for your fertility. But yes, guys, they have a petition to have her removed, so we don't know what's going to happen now. So there are two petitions, the petition to remove Uchidima Adetshina from the pageant, and also the petition to remove Lerato Kganyago as the judge. Whew. You know what I would do if I was in her shoes, Lerato? I would just, I don't know if maybe it's allowed, but I was just going to resign from being the judge, you know, because now everything that she says, they're going to take it the wrong way. even if I was Adechina, even if I was Uchidima Adechina, I was going to resign from the pageant, guys. Disqualify myself because it's so much drama. Like it's a lot kuningi. And if Chidima Adechina wins, something is going to happen here in South Africa. I'm telling you guys, because a lot of people are against her. So if she wins, Nizobona, they might start looting. We will see. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.